it's Dream from Where the Yocals Grow, and as been promised in the July tour video, we are going to do a container garden video, and we're going to update you on all of those things. Neighbor dog, apologize for the barking. There's just nothing I can do about it. Not only am I going to show you these as we go through the video, I'm also going to give you updates on things that we planted last year in 2022 in our container garden series that we still have in containers. If you haven't seen those videos, I will link them down in the description for you. So let's get this tour going. Okay, I haven't been out here in a day, so some of this needs water and it'll get water. It's about 8:30, about 9 o'clock in the morning. So here is our corn that we planted up in this year in our container series. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down in the description for you so you can see how they were planted. These two were started indoors and these two were direct sown, and you can see they were planted within a week of each other, and you can see the difference. They started to tassel, and we've gotten, I think I see a couple of little hairs down there, so hopefully we'll be having some corn here pretty soon. Here are all the sweet potatoes. Now you got an update on all of these when we did when we planted up the rest of the containers, but here they are doing really well. And then here are the volunteer tomatoes that we have planted up in containers. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down in the description as well. As you can see, they are growing amazing. Their leaves are kind of turned in. Like I said, I haven't been out here since, not yesterday, the day before, but I watered everything really well because, let me get out of the shadow, because I knew that I wasn't going to be out here yesterday. And as you can see, they are growing really, really well. Here's one of our black pumpkins. Whoop, I'm in the shadow. Let me get out of there. It's one of our black pumpkins. They're doing really well. The other ones are getting attacked by vine borers, and we're addressing that as we go. More of our volunteer tomatoes. Here are our cucumbers that we planted together, and then only a few of these cylinder beets have started to come up. So I'm probably going to get, it's called Early Wonder, and plant those seeds in there. Here are our green beans that we planted together. Probably should get that tree out, huh? Here is our corn that we started from seed together. These are our midget pumpkins that we started from seed together. And these are our Kajari melons that we started. And then, of course, finally, our ground cherry that we planted together. And if you haven't seen that video or this video where we planted all of these together, I will link that down in the description. Let's go see the rest of our container garden. The trees. So these, now I don't have my cherry trees here. Not yet anyway. These are the plums and nectarines that we planted. If you've been on the channel for a period of time, those are the ones that we planted together in 2022. And this one produced plums. Not a lot, but it produced plums. Unfortunately, the squirrels got them. And then here is our other plum right here. And as you can see, 30 gallons. They're growing beautifully. Here is our nectarines. Now this nectarine did not produce in that plum I just showed you, did not produce, but this nectarine, she did. And there she is. I'm gonna walk back over here because I forgot to show you the grapes that we started in containers. And they're producing grapes this year. We are going to put these in the ground and give them their own, but you can see there's their grapes. This is the razzmatazz that we planted together, and then these three are new this year, and it should be 2 Concord grapes and 1 red grape. So there they are. Just goes to show you that you can grow just about anything in a container. This tower was turned into the strawberry tower, and you can't really see it that good because it's behind all this. It's got a pot in front of it and some other things. It's all got to be dug out. But as you can see, the strawberries, and it's still producing strawberries. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tier green stalk. I think it's one of their original ones that they put out. Here are our lemon trees. Now, lemon tree was doing amazing. except we have an abundance of grasshoppers here. But as you can see, she's producing lemons. And then this is our lime tree that's now overgrown by zinnias. Okay, this one has become our pepper tower this year. As you can see, it is flourishing and doing really well. And then here are a whole bunch of the pots that we planted up together. The only one that's not really doing well, and that's because she obviously has an iron deficiency. And we've been giving her iron, but she's not really bouncing back, so I don't know if she's going to make it, and that is our blueberry. This is our new blueberry. And this is the golden raspberry that we planted up together. Unfortunately, the pot broke, so I've got to get a new pot for it and get it replanted. Here is the blackberry that we planted last year. And as you can see, I got to get out here. She is loaded with blackberries, and I got to get them harvested. You all haven't seen. This is a brand new tower. It is full of herbs and flowers. This is the 5-tier leaf tower from Greenstock that is brand new, and this is their glacier blue color. And you guys are looking at, you see the house? That's our house. And as soon as we get all the siding done, you are looking at the future color of this house. It's going to have, of course, the burgundy. We're going to bring it back to its Victorian and dark blue trim. And then one more container to show you an update on, and that is the Lady of Charlotte Austin Rose. Now, my intent with this is to put it up at the front gate. I'm going to order another one next year and get it up to the front gate. I hope you enjoyed the container tour and seeing the updates. It was just a quick video so that you all can see what they look like now and give you an update on everything that is still in containers that we still got to get in the ground. But I'm going to wait till fall to put the trees in, just because it's just too hot to be planting trees right now. So if you found some value in this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. If you want to see further journeys of these containers and the harvesting that's going to come from them, please consider subscribing so that you can see that journey. Until I see you in the next video, there's one here or up above. You all take care of yourselves, you keep your heads up, and more importantly, no matter how you do it, you keep growing. Bye-bye, y'all.